Hello, awesome Bay Path University students. Here is a brief video about poetry. In an Introduction to Literature, 16th edition, Sylvan Barnett, William Burton, and William Cain define a poem as an imaginative work in meter or in free verse, usually employing figurative language. Here are some examples of poetic forms: acrostic, ballad, blank verse, free verse, haiku, limerick, sonnet, villanelle, and there are many others. In Literature, the Human Experience, 11th edition, Richard Edkarian, Marvin Klotz, and Samuel Cohen define many poetic terms. Tone, the attitude embodied in the language a writer chooses. Rhyme, the repetition of the final stressed vowel sound in any sounds following produces perfect rhyme. For example, bat, sat. Off rhyme, slant rhyme, near rhyme, when the correspondence in sounds is imperfect. For example, heaven given. Stanza, the grouping of a fixed number of verse lines in a recurring metrical and rhyme pattern. Basically, a paragraph in a poem is a stanza. Imagery, language that embodies an appeal to a physical sense, usually sight, although the words may invoke sound, smell, taste, and touch as well. In other words, using the five senses. Simile. Similar to metaphor, the simile is a comparison of unlike things introduced by the words like or as. For example, he is like a snake. Metaphor, a figurative expression consisting of two elements in which one element is provided with special attributes by being equated with a second unlike element. For example, he's a snake. Allusion, a reference in a literary work to something outside the work, usually to some famous person, place, thing, event, or other literary work. For example, your backyard is like the Garden of Eden. Symbol, an object, an action, or a person that represents more than itself. Meter, refers to recurrent patterns of accented and unaccented syllables in verse. Confused? Here's a further explanation. Let's review one of the most commonly confused parts of the poem, the meter. The attached Poetic Devices handout, downloaded from the following website, offers some excellent examples. The following 3 slides is an excerpt from this handout. Meter is the organization of voice patterns in terms of both the arrangement of strong and weak stresses. As you will see, stressed syllables are labeled with an accent mark, unstressed syllables are labeled with a dash, and metrical feet may be 2 or 3 syllables in length and are divided by slashes. There are 5 basic rhythms: I am, iambic, invite, trochee, trochaic, deadline, anapest, anapestic, to the beach, dactyl, dactylic, frequently, spondy, spondaic, true blue. Meter is measured by the number of feet in a line. Feet are named by Greek prefix number words attached to meter. A line with 5 feet is called pentameter. Thus, a line of 5 iambs is known as iambic pentameter, the most common metrical form in English poetry and the one favored by Shakespeare. The most common line lengths are monometer, 1 foot, dimeter, 2 feet, trimeter, 3 feet, tetrameter, 4 feet, pentameter, 5 feet, hexameter, 6 feet, heptameter, 7 feet, and octameter, 8 feet. Please let me know if you have any questions or if there's a particular topic about poetry that you would like me to produce a video about. Right on!